Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to share a tutorial about how to create reveal text on CapCut apps. This is the result. Now let's get started. Open the CapCut apps and click new project, click stock video and choose white stock video, this one. And now click on the text, write down the text. And now you can set the style. I want to choose this one. And now export the video. Now click a new project again and add a video. And then click overlay, add the exported video and swipe the menu until you see freeze option and click on it. Now delete the before video, delete and set the freeze video until the end of the video. Okay, and now click the text and click chroma key, this one, and set the color picture to white and click intensity. Set the intensity until the background has been removed, like this. And now click overlay again and add the same video as before. Set the frame size and then now click in the overlay and click remove background. This is how it looks before we add the reveal text effect. Okay, now let's add the reveal text. Click on the text and then click keyframe icon. Now if you want to get to the part where the object just move a little bit over the text, and then click keyframe again, then go to mouse and click on split and then rotate it as you need, and then go to the next part and add another keyframe and then click mouse again, move it until it is placed behind the object, and then go to the next part, add in another keyframe and then move the mouse until you see the text. And now you can play the video to see how well it goes with the object. So that's how you can create the reveal text effect. After you're done, you can export the video. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing. Bye bye.